In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method from your Google Cloud billing account. This process is straightforward, but it's important to make sure that you follow each step carefully to ensure there's no disruption in your service or billing. So, let's dive in, and I'll walk you through each step in detail. First, you'll need to log into your Google Cloud console. This is your main hub for managing everything related to your Google Cloud services. Once inside, you'll want to navigate over to the billing section. This is where you'll find all the details about your accounts, from invoices to payment methods. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area, especially if you're managing multiple accounts or services. Within the billing section, you'll need to look for the option labeled Payment Methods, or sometimes it might say Manage Payment Methods. Clicking on this will bring up a list of all the payment methods associated with your Google Cloud account. This is where you can see which credit cards or bank accounts you're using and manage them accordingly. Once you've accessed the list of payment methods, your next step is to select the particular cloud billing account you wish to modify. If you're handling more than one account, make sure you're focusing on the correct one to avoid mistakenly altering the wrong setting. Just a little tip. Double-check the account details to confirm you're in the right place. Now, find the payment method you want to remove. This could be a credit card or a bank account that you no longer want on file. When you spot the correct payment method, you'll notice an option to remove it. Simply click on this Remove button to initiate the process. It's straightforward, but double-check that you've selected the right payment method to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. After clicking Remove, you might not always see an immediate confirmation. Sometimes, the option might even be grayed out or unclickable. Don't worry, this could happen if the payment method is currently being used for a pending transaction or if it's the primary payment method on the account. In such cases, you may need to add a new primary method before you can remove the existing one. Finally, once Remove is clickable, the system will typically prompt you to confirm your choice. It's a safety measure that allows you to double-check that you really want to remove this payment method. Go ahead and confirm, and with that, your payment method will be removed from the account. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a payment method from your Google Cloud billing account. Remember to ensure you still have a valid form of payment on file to keep your services running smoothly. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this session was helpful.